Hi, I'm Poshita from Glida team.
Hi ma'am, I'm Aryan and I am the owner of this i4, BMW i4.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So Aryan, thank you so much for having this conversation with me today. And I wanted to start our conversation with asking you how has your experience been a part of this rally, driving from Karnal to Gurgaon today?
It has been really great and I really enjoyed this beautiful Sunday morning with a pleasant weather, a good group, and we had some nice conversations and yeah, some nice food.
That's fantastic. So Aryan, which brings me to my next question, that since you drive a luxury vehicle which is in luxury segment, what has been your experience with BMW i4?
So it has been really great, really powerful vehicle, fantastic features, good battery pack, and really mesmerized by its performance. No complaints till now. I've clocked 20,000 kilometers in 8 months, and the only challenge that I faced till now is the initial increased cost that I had to pay for buying it, and the poor charging infrastructure in India. Apart from that, no complaints with electric vehicles, no complaints with BMW.
Okay, understood. So, what irked you to switch from ICE to electric vehicle?
Okay, so the initial decision was little challenging. So because spending so much, people generally go for a Nexon or a Tiago to try the electric vehicle first. But we chose this car, so it was a little of a gamble in the initial phase. But I was so satisfied that after 2 months I bought an MG ZS EV, and 3 months prior I bought a Kia EV6. So I'm really very happy with the electric experience, and I'm deciding to change all my ICE vehicles slowly and steadily to EV.
Okay, so that has been a paradigm shift because from somebody who had a lot of ICE vehicles, you shifted to one, and now two, now three. Now you want to change your entire.
100%.
So that's, I think so that shows your confidence in the entire Indian ecosystem which is
100%.
developing.
So, like talking about this charger, I came to know that it's charging at 200 kilowatt hour.
You're talking about the Glida Chem power charger?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was really mesmerized, and that solves the problem. Like for example, I have a battery of 77 kilowatt. So maximum 20-25 minutes, my car will be 100% charged. And as we just plugged it at 70%, it took 77 kilowatts. That also is a really great number because we are charging it at 70%. At 10%, it would have taken easily 180-170 kilowatt. So that is really mesmerized. I have not seen chargers offering more than 50 kilowatt.
Yeah, so this is the beauty of our Chem power chargers, and we're the first, definitely first in the country.
Really powerful chargers, and as you see, we have charged more than 12-13% in 3-4 minutes. That's really nice.
So you're satisfied with the infrastructure?
100%.
Yeah. So like you've already spoken about, you are satisfied with Glida infrastructure, but since this is your first time trying Glida infrastructure, what are the things which you like? Did you feel that the ease of usage was there, or like understanding how it has to be done? So what would you like to say about that?
First was the infrastructure, built on a very nice road with a good food outlet, nice spacious, a lot of guns present, all of them working. The app usage was very easy. You just plug it, you start it from the app, and we are good to go. And the speed. I have not seen chargers offering more than 50 kilowatt, mostly in Delhi, NCR, and this is offering around 200, and potentially even if it's giving 160, it's a great number.
So you're overall very satisfied.
Even if it's 100, then also it's a great number.
Okay, so perfect. So before we wrap up this conversation, what are the top 2 things you would want to tell EV users, since you're already an owner of 3 EVs in the Indian ecosystem, which motivates them to buy EV?
That it is a very beautiful journey. Once you shift to an EV vehicle, there's no going back. You cannot drive an ICE vehicle, and slowly you'll shift all your ICE vehicles to an electric vehicle. It's a really beautiful journey, and
yeah, I think so. That's fantastic. Thank you so much for being a part of this Glida community today, and giving your beautiful Sunday to us and making us part of it. Thank you
so much. Thank you.